Okay, here's the next item I'm going to show you. This is and it's considered the industry standard. It's made by Shure. It's called the Shure SM58 Vocal Microphone. Now you can use it for anything that you want to record audio with. You can use it for a lot of bands use it for singers because it's the most versatile mic around there. It's legendary. It says right there it's legendary, and it's an industry standard. And you can find it online, and you know, it's not a very expensive mic. It's priced pretty decent for what it does and its uses. You can get it online in any music store, as well as some stores too. You can probably even get it at a video store, because again, some video guys use it also for microphones. You can also use it like some people use it on TV shows for announcing and things like that, because it's just such a well-rounded microphone for all kinds of audio applications. Again, this is a Shure SM58 microphone. So let me unbox this and show you what it's like. Alright, let's take this out and unbox it and see what it's like. So here's the box it comes in. Let's take it out. Put that aside. And it comes in that little white package box. And inside we see some you know, warranty instructions, guide, all kinds of cool little stuff. And it comes with a pouch. It even comes with a pouch. That's pretty cool. It even says Shure right on it, right there. So anyway, let's put this aside, and let's open it up and see what's inside. We'll put this over here so it's out of the way, just so you can see what it is. It's an SM58. We'll open it up. There's the microphone. This is a used microphone. I've had this for a long time, but this is the original packaging it came in, and I have it labeled there for when I use it. I use it all the time, and it's got an XLR connection on it, which is the 3-pin connection. It doesn't come with a cable, but you can get a cable for it. And then it also comes with a holder, a mic clip that you can use to put it on. I just dropped it, and as you can see, it's perfectly fine. Anyway, that's the SM58 microphone. We should probably plug it in and see how it sounds. Right now, you're listening to this audio right now from the camera mic. So right now, I'm going to plug it in and see what the difference is. All right, let's try that and see how it sounds. Well, now I'm going to speak into it. I'm speaking into it right now. Here it is. I'll show you that it's plugged in. And now I'm going to speak into it. That's the microphone right now. So as you can see, it's a very clear sounding microphone as compared to the audio in the camera. That's what it's sounding like now with me speaking into the microphone. Like I said, it's a pretty versatile microphone. You could use it for vocals in a band, or you could also use it for announcing. A lot of people use it on talk shows. I've used it on talk shows when I've done video shoots. It's pretty versatile. And like I said, it comes with a clip. You can mount it on a mic stand as such. You can put the clip on the mic stand. Now I'm going to put the microphone on there. As you can see, when I was tapping into the mic, you could hear it responding. That's the microphone that we're looking at today. And like I said, it's the SM58 microphone by Shure. There it is right there, SM58. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool little mic. I'm speaking into it right now with my other hand. That's why I'm only showing this with one hand. It's a pretty nice mic. So like I said, you can find it at most music stores, or you could order it online. Pretty sure you'll be happy with this. I've had mine for years and years and years. I've dropped it just like you saw me drop it right now, and it sounds just fine. They're really durable. Okay, so in conclusion, if you want a pretty sturdy mic right here, and durable, definitely durable, you can choose the SM58. And as I said, you can use it for vocals in a band. I'm a musician myself, and I sing into it, I talk into it, and it works just fine. I've done interviews with this, and like I said, I just tested it out for you, so you heard what it's like. So it's a pretty clear microphone, and it's definitely durable. And this is what it looks like, the package that it comes in. SM58. Like I said, you could pick it up in pretty much any music store, and pretty universal. Everybody uses this thing, so it's pretty readily found in music stores, or like I said before, online. So don't hesitate to get this mic, and I'm sure you will be happy with the performance of this mic. Talk to you later.